And now more news coming in. CBI officials are visiting the families of the victims of the Karur Stampede that occurred on September 27 for further probe, and the agency had taken over the probe mid-October this year after an order by the Apex Court. On October 13, the CBI re-registered the case on the directions of the Supreme Court. So those are the details that are coming in terms of the Karur Stampede. Remember, viewers, that was a major stampede that took place during TVK's rally, and now CBI officials are visiting families of the Karur victims' families as well as they are doing this to further their probe regarding the Karur Stampede that took place during Vijay's rally, in which we have seen that several war of words also erupted when we're talking about post the rally as well. Now joining me on the telecast is my colleague Belly Thomas. Belly, what exactly are you getting to know in terms of these CBI officials that have visited the families of the Karur victims, and as well as the ongoing probe regarding this?
Ria, a three-member team, including a women official, have visited the families of two young girls who lost their lives in the stampede that happened on September 27th at the Tamil Victory Karagam actor Vijay's outreach rally that had happened in Karur at the Veluswamipuram. And these CBI officials have met with the families to take the first-person accounts and additional details as to how all it transpired and how they reached the hospital. Had the family members had an opportunity to speak to the victim before they succumbed, and so on and so forth. So besides this, the CBI officials are also conducting inquiries at the circuit house and the tourist bungalow at Karur, summoning several persons from from various backgrounds, including general members of the general public, shop owners, and other people who were witness to this incident. This includes a petrol bunk owner, a textile shop owner, a mobile shop owner, a mechanic, and so on. A lot of people have been summoned. Around 100 of them is what the sources from there say that the CBI have recorded statements so far. We also get to know that the CBI officials have recorded the statements of the office bearers of the Tamil Victory Karagam party as such. A zonal joint coordinator identified as Arasu was also summoned and questioned along with these police personnel, ambulance drivers, and other people who were a part of witness to this stampede incidents were also summoned at the circuit house and the tourist bungalow in Karur, and their statements have also been recorded by the CBI officials. We got to know that this CBI investigation started on October 17th after the Supreme Court transferred the case from the state authorities, state enforcement authorities, to the CBI, and the first stage of the CBI investigation was that they used this 3D laser scanning and measurement work that they carried out at the 700-meter stretch at the Veluswamipuram, and they're kind of trying to reconstruct the sequence of events that led to the stampede that killed 41 and injured over 100. Back to you, Ria.
All right, Belly. Thanks so much for joining us on the telecast. Now, on the other hand, in Firozpur, two unidentified assailants have been shot. It is a 40-year-old Naveen Arora. The incident happened while he was walking home near Budhwar Wala Mohalla, and Naveen died from the gunshot